How to install NetGo TV app on Android. In this video, we show you how to install the NetGo TV app on your Android device in simple and easy steps. More and more people are searching for how to install NetGo TV. And it's no surprise. With seamless streaming, a wide selection of channels, and affordable subscription plans, NetGo TV continues to grow in popularity for high-quality entertainment anytime, anywhere. Step 1. Enable unknown sources. Go to your Android settings arrow security or privacy arrow. Find Install Unknown Apps arrow. Allow permission for your browser or file manager. This is required to install the NetGo TV APK outside the Google Play Store. Step 2. Download the APK. Visit the official website at visivu.one and download the latest NetGo TV APK. Make sure you download it from the official site to get the safest and updated version. Wait for the download to finish before moving to installation. Step 3. Install the app. Open the downloaded file from your notification panel or file manager. Tap Install and wait until the process completes. Don't close the screen while installing. Once done, open the app and enter your activation code to start streaming. That's it. Installation only takes a few minutes. No technical skills needed. Enjoy quick access to live TV, premium channels, and entertainment anytime. Get NetGo TV today. Visit the pricing page or click the Get Started button on the home page. Contact support if you have questions.